Hey everyone, welcome back to LifeTIPS. If you're looking to refresh your wardrobe while keeping things eco-friendly, you're in the right place. Today, I'm sharing 5 amazing ways to redesign your wardrobe without buying new clothes. Let's dive in and get creative. First up, let's talk about DIY embroidery. Take those plain old clothes and give them a fresh look with some embroidery. You can add floral designs, patterns, or even personalized initials. It's a fun and creative way to breathe new life into your wardrobe and make your clothes uniquely yours. Got old t-shirts you don't wear anymore? Instead of tossing them, turn them into stylish tote bags. Just cut off the sleeves and neckline, sew up the bottom, and you've got a reusable bag perfect for groceries or running errands. It's an easy and practical way to upcycle your old tees. Those jeans that have seen better days? Give them a new lease on life by turning them into trendy shorts. Cut them to your desired length, add some distressing if you like, and you've got a summer staple that's perfect for staying cool and stylish. Give an old jacket a new look with fabric paint or patches. Add bold designs patterns, or your favorite patches to turn a basic jacket into a statement piece. It's an easy way to make your outerwear pop and showcase your personal style. Don't underestimate the versatility of a scarf. Use an old scarf to create a chic headband or a stylish belt. Just fold and tie it to fit your style. It's a simple way to accessorize and add a touch of flair to any outfit without needing to buy new accessories. And there you have it. 5 eco-friendly ways to redesign your wardrobe. These tips not only help you reduce waste, but also let you get creative with your clothes. Which idea are you excited to try? Let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more sustainable fashion tips.